How to recover deleted photos from Messenger. Lost photos in Facebook Messenger? Here's how to safely recover them. Step 1. Check archived chats. Open Messenger. Tap your profile. Archive chats. Sometimes photos are in messages you archived, not deleted. Step 2. Check Facebook data download. 1. Open Facebook app or website. 2. Go to Settings. Your Facebook information. Download your information. 3. Select messages and media if needed. 4. Request the download. Wait for email or download link. Open the file. Find your deleted photos. Step 3. Check device backup. If you backed up your phone, Android, Google Photos, Google Drive backup. iPhone, iCloud Photos or iCloud backup. Photos may still exist even if deleted from Messenger. Important notes. If photos were deleted from both Messenger and server, they cannot be recovered. Avoid third-party recovery apps claiming to restore Messenger photos. They may be unsafe. 1. Check archived chats. 2. Download Facebook data. 3. Check device backups. These are safe ways to try recovering deleted Messenger photos.